helping you find your happiness. Today, we embark on a journey toward a more joyful and harmonious life by embracing the power of decluttering. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of belongings in your home? Do you long for a sense of peace and order amidst the chaos? Decluttering is not merely about discarding items. It's about creating a space where joy flourishes and your spirit feels light. It's about surrounding yourself only with those things that spark joy and contribute to the life you envision. Together, we will embark on a transformative journey, one that goes beyond the physical act of tidying and delves into the heart of what truly matters. Remember, the goal is not emptiness, but rather creating a space that brings you peace, ignites your creativity, and allows you to live authentically. Are you ready to create a home that reflects your most joyful and authentic self? Let's begin. Our first step on this journey of decluttering might seem surprisingly simple, but its impact is profound. We begin with a small victory, a manageable area that will ignite the spark of joy within us. Instead of feeling daunted by the thought of tackling your entire house, let's choose a drawer, a shelf, or even a small corner of a room. This is our starting point, a place where we can practice the art of mindful decluttering without feeling overwhelmed. Hold each item in your hands, truly connect with it, and ask yourself the essential question: does this spark joy? Does it elicit a feeling of happiness, contentment, or inspiration? Or does it weigh you down with guilt, obligation, or a sense of being overwhelmed? If the item sparks joy, find a designated space for it, a place where it feels honored and appreciated. If it does not, thank it for its service and bid it farewell. Remember, letting go of what no longer serves us creates space for new joys to enter our lives. As you work through this small area, you'll begin to notice a shift within you. A sense of lightness will emerge, a feeling of accomplishment that motivates you to continue on this transformative journey. This small victory, this initial step towards a clutter-free life, is a powerful reminder that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact on our well-being. So, let's begin, and let the joy of decluttering fill your heart. Now that we've experienced the joy of decluttering a small space, let's explore a principle that will help us maintain this newfound sense of order and balance, the one-in, one-out rule. This simple yet powerful practice encourages us to be mindful of what we bring into our homes and lives. For every new item that enters, one must leave. It's about creating a conscious flow of energy, ensuring that our belongings remain in alignment with our values and aspirations. Imagine purchasing a beautiful new sweater that fills you with joy. To maintain balance, choose an older sweater that no longer sparks the same level of excitement and let it go. This could involve donating it, passing it on to a friend, or respectfully recycling it. By embracing the one-in, one-out rule, we prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of harmony within our spaces. It's a gentle reminder that every item we own requires our time, energy, and attention. When we make conscious choices about what we bring into our lives, we create space for what truly matters: experiences, relationships, and personal growth. This practice encourages us to be more intentional about our purchases, considering the long-term impact on our homes and well-being. Remember, true joy comes not from accumulating possessions, but from creating a life filled with purpose, connection, and experiences that nourish our souls. The power of daily rituals. As we continue on our decluttering journey, let's explore the transformative power of incorporating small, mindful practices into our daily routines. Just as we nourish our bodies with daily meals, let's dedicate a few moments each day to nourish our homes and our spirits through the practice of daily decluttering. Setting aside just 10 to 15 minutes each day can make a world of difference. Imagine waking up a few minutes earlier and dedicating this time to tidying a small area of your home. Perhaps you straighten and clean up the living room, organize your desk, or simply put away a few dishes. This consistent effort, these small acts of mindful decluttering, create a ripple effect that extends far beyond the physical space. As you cultivate a sense of order in your environment, you'll begin to notice a sense of calm and clarity emerging within you. Think of it as a form of meditation in motion. a way to center yourself and cultivate a sense of peace as you start your day. This daily ritual needn't feel like a chore. Approach it with a sense of mindfulness and gratitude, appreciating the opportunity to create a more harmonious and joyful living space. Over time, these small, consistent actions will transform your home and your life. You'll find that maintaining a clutter-free environment becomes effortless, a natural extension of your commitment to living with intention and joy. Embrace the joy of a clutter-free life. As we conclude our journey together, remember that decluttering is not a destination but a lifelong practice, a journey of self-discovery and liberation. It's about creating a space where you can breathe deeply, where your spirit feels light, and where joy flourishes in every corner. Embrace the small victories, the joy of letting go, and the transformative power of daily rituals. Remember, you are capable of creating a home and a life that sparks joy in every way. Now go forth and embrace the transformative power of decluttering. Create a space that reflects your most authentic and joyful self, and let your light shine brightly. If today's video provided you with motivation, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who may like to hear this message of happiness. Also, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this, and tap the notification bell to make videos like this more convenient. Thanks for watching.